The SF4 series compact safety light curtain from Sunx incorporates a safety input function. It allows you to connect safety door switches, emergency e-stop switches, or even floor mats directly to the light curtain itself. For this video example, I've connected a safety limit switch to the safety input function of the light curtain. When the safety limit switch has been activated, the red LED indicators on the light curtain light up, signifying that the light curtain is in a safe condition. For more information, visit us at sunxsensors.com.